How to use Tabby for flight booking. Now you can go ahead and use their website or their downloadable app. So just choose on whichever fits you the best. So if you're going on the website, first, you're gonna go ahead and choose which type of flight you would like, either the return, a one-way, or a multi-city. So just put in the details that you're going to go to and where you're from, the dates, how many people is going to ride, and how many tickets you like, and press on the search button to look for flights that are available for your specific needs. Now, Tabby allows you to split the cost of your flight tickets into 4 interest-free installments over 3 months. So Tabby is a leading buy now, pay later provider. So that's one of the features Tabby has, which is different from other booking websites. Now, it makes it easy for customers to purchase what they want today while paying over time. Tabby charges no interest as well or hidden fees, as long as payments are made on time, of course. So, search and book flights through alternative airlines and check out using Tabby. Payback in 4 payments over 3 months, and again, no interest or hidden fees with fast approval decision. Now, you can go ahead and use the app as well, so the first thing you're going to have to do is search for the flight that you want. Fill in the search from your destinations, dates, and the number of people traveling. So click the search flights button if you're in the app and select the flights that are most suitable for you. Select Tabby at checkout. So once you've entered your passenger details, scroll down to see all available payment methods with alternative airlines. Select Tabby to begin the financing process and click continue to payment. There you can select the best finance plan with Tabby that works for you and see if you are eligible. You can choose to pay back in 4 payments over 3 months after you've selected your plan. Tabby will give you an instant approval decision. And if you were eligible, you'll be able to confirm your flight with them using Tabby and receive your e-ticket straight away. All you need to do is repay Tabby on the plan you've selected and enjoy your upcoming trip. So those are the methods you're gonna have to do in order to book a flight with Tabby. So if this video does help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.